In this video, I'm doing a touch of glam, so if you're interested in seeing what it is, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, making decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're part of the creative family, thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump into this video. Now this video is part of a collaboration, and the collaboration is entitled Glam Elegant Living Collab. And it is hosted by a wonderful YouTube sister, Lady Phoenix at Really Good Living. If you're not familiar with her channel, I'll have a link to her channel along with the playlist when it becomes available down below in the description. Now I'm using the mirrored placemats to display this vignette, and on it I have the red reindeer with the blinged out necklace with the flowers on the front. That was purchased at Walmart. And then I have the white vase that was a DIY. I put a little bling around it with some red poinsettias from Dollar Tree. Then I have a glass vase with a red and white striped candle inside, blinged on the bottom. Those were thrifted. And then the tall red vase, that was something my husband already owned. Don't forget to check out the playlist down below to check out the other participants' videos. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy them as I will. And let me know what you think about my vignette down below. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.